Welcome everyone! Today I will tell you what is layout and how to save a new layout in Primavera P6. So what is a layout? Basically, a layout is what we can see on the screen. Here we have the activity table with our activities and we have a Gantt chart. And this is what we can call a layout, so how we can see it. Also, as you can see, we have a layout here and the name of the current layout, which is basic view number 1. So if I will open another project and then open this layout, I will have exactly the same view. Of course, the list of the tasks will be different because in different projects I will have different tasks, but I will have exactly the same columns. It will be also sorted by finish date, and I will have the same layout of the Gantt chart, which means that I will have the bars with the tasks, and underneath I will have the baselines, so those yellow bars, and I will have also the name of the tasks on the right of those bars. So everything we can change. We can change the Gantt chart, what I will show on some of the another videos, and we can change the columns. So this is what I will do now to show you how to save a new layout. Let's suppose that we don't need the baseline project start and baseline project finish columns, and also we don't need predecessor details columns, but we want to add some columns with the total float and free float. Let's do this. Right click on any of those columns and then go to the columns, and here from the available options I can click find to find free float column. Find next to find the one which I'm interested in, exactly that one. So I will add free float to the list, and I'm also looking for the total float. It's underneath, so let's double click it also, and then I can cancel. And what I want to do also is to delete from my list baseline project start and baseline project finish. So double click all of those, and predecessor details also double click because I don't want it to be shown as a column. Then free float I want to be at the end and total float before free float. If I'm happy with the changes, then I click apply. And what you can see now, that I have those two columns added and the others are deleted. And basically I have my changes done. I want to save a new layout. To do this, just go to that down arrow and then select layout and save as. And here we have the name of our new layout. So let's say that this will be basic view number 1 with floats, and then available to. So the layout can be saved to all of the users, so everyone which has access to your database will have access to that layout. It can be saved to another user, which means that you can specify the one user to which you want to save that layout, but this is not you, to the current user, which means that this is you, and to the project. So everyone who will open a project will have access to this layout, but if you will open another project, then you will not see that one. So it depends on what you need at the moment. I will save it to the current user, so only available for me. And then I will click save. As you can see, the name is changed, so this is the layout which I have already opened. And now let's open the view of all of the layouts. And here we have the list with all the layouts available in our database. Of course, we have here the layouts available to the user, so to me in that case. And you can see that we have our layout which was saved, and we have also the layout which was before. So let's open that layout, open, and you can see we are back to another layout. As I can see, this is not the same as was at the beginning of this project. So it basically means that I needed to make some changes to the layout without saving it and even didn't know about it. So to convince you that it's working, I will open a layout once again. So I will open the one we just created. Let's go to the basic view number 1 with floats, apply. And as you can see, we have the layouts which we created.